Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to present to you this approved used Audi S3 Sportback Black Edition 310 PS TFSI with the S-tronic automatic gearbox. Now, this particular example is finished in the upgraded Daytona grey pearlescent paintwork, which is really giving that standout road appearance. This vehicle does feature a 2-litre turbocharged petrol engine which produces 310 PS as well as 395 pounds-feet of torque with a 0 to 60 time of just 4.8 seconds. Now moving towards the front of the vehicle, we find these fantastic LED adaptive headlights which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition, and just to the right of that you do notice the S3 badging in the gloss black. Moving down towards the alloys now, we find these exceptional 19-inch 5-arm structured diamond cut alloys, and they do really complement that lovely grey paintwork. And then to the side of the vehicle we do also have the rear privacy glass, which does keep the rear occupants in view as well as continuing the overall black and grey theme. Moving in now to the rear boot space of the A3 Sportback, where we find up to 380 litres of storage capacity. This is a large amount for a performance hatch of this size. It can easily accommodate 2 larger suitcases as well as a few additional shopping bags. Moving into the rear seats now, we find a full quilted Napa leather interior with the diamond quilted leather in the centre. There's also a leather centre armrest which is fold down for added comfort, as well as having 2 extra cup holders. There are Isofix points neatly located across the back row, and there's also more than enough leg space to accommodate 3 occupants in the rear. Moving into the front now, we find a very well designed and luxurious cabin with a large amount of plush materials such as fine Napa leather, Dynamica Alcantara and aluminium. With this being the S model, it does mean you get the S logo in both front seats along with the additional white stitching. Above now there is the virtual cockpit, in which is featured the 2 digital rev counters, as well as having access to vehicle data, radio stations and also your telephone connectivity. Now moving towards the centre of the dashboard, we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, in which is featured the satellite navigation, as well as having access to your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just below this we find the equally impressive digitalised dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable, and there are heated seat functionalities either side of this for both front occupants. Now to the screen above, once again we find the optional reversing camera as well as the front and rear sensors, making this vehicle much easier to park, especially in the tighter spaces. So thank you for watching this video of the approved used Audi S3 Sportback Black Edition. For more information, please do get in touch with our friendly sales